let's fix your iPhone camera if it's not working. Now, if you're trying to take a photo or a video, either using the back camera or the front camera, I'm going to show you how to get that fixed. Now, we'll open up the camera app here, and you can see I have the back camera turned on. Now, one of the easiest things that you can do is if you're having trouble, maybe that camera you turn it on and it's black or there's just something not working, you can tap that little button at the bottom right to switch between the back and the front camera. So tap it a couple times to go back. Basically what this will do is it will turn on the back camera and then turn on the front camera. And sometimes just going back and forth through that process helps to fix whatever camera issue you're having. Now, another thing that you can do is let's go out of here and close out of that camera app. So I'm going to open it up and close that app completely and then open it and see if it's working after I do that. Now, another thing that you can check to see, sometimes there are issues with either that front camera or the back camera with a case that you might have on there. So take the case off of your iPhone, maybe wipe around that front camera and the back camera with just a little cloth so that you can clean it up and see if there's an actual issue with something being on the camera and that's causing any kind of issues with the camera. Now, another thing that we can do is hop into settings. And we'll scroll down and tap on General and then Software Update. We'll check to see if there's a software update. Sometimes if there's a bug or a glitch in your camera app, just this update through iOS will help to update the camera app and fix any kind of bug. Now, another thing that we can do is we can force restart our phone. We'll just tap the volume up, the volume down button, and then press and hold that side button until your phone just completely goes black and completely turns off. This force restarts it, and then you can tap that button to turn it back on. Now, the last thing that we'll do is we'll go down to the very bottom here and hit transfer or reset iPhone. And then what we're going to do is hit erase all content and settings. You'll go through this process basically to back up your phone and then just completely wipe it and then refresh it. A lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches as well. If you go through all these processes and your camera is still not working, either the back camera or the front camera, I recommend taking it into the Apple Store. What they can do is they can hook your phone up to a diagnostics and run all those diagnostics to see maybe there's a hardware issue with that camera that's causing it to not work. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.